At Claremont Graduate University's Center for Information Systems and Technology, we're not just preparing students to work in technology, we're preparing them to lead it with purpose, ethics, and impact. This is the CISAT Transdisciplinary Ethical AI Hackathon, an immersive, hands-on event where students don't just write code, they solve real-world problems. Each student team will tackle a real challenge faced by public agencies, nonprofits, or private sector partners. These aren't hypothetical case studies. They're the kinds of problems people are facing every day, from accessing healthcare to navigating public services or finding reliable information online. The goal? To design an ethical, human-centered chatbot that addresses these challenges using artificial intelligence, while upholding values like fairness, transparency, and inclusion. This transdisciplinary approach means students come from all disciplines: technology, public policy, psychology, communication, and beyond. Whether they're coders or not, every participant plays a vital role. Coders focus on building the solution. Non-coders lead research, ethics, design thinking, and presentation. This collaboration reflects the world we want to live in, one where diverse voices come together to shape responsible technology. Every team will deliver a working chatbot, a written report explaining their design process, and a presentation to share what they built and why. Final judging will be based not just on what they created, but how they created it, how they thought through the risks, how they protected privacy, how they stayed true to their values. And midway through the day, there's a bonus challenge, a test of how well their solution adapts to a new user base or ethical dilemma. Because in the real world, we don't build technology once, we build it to evolve. This hackathon is the first in a growing series of events that will connect students with real-world partners, meaningful challenges, and new opportunities for research, internships, and collaboration. For partners, it's a chance to gain fresh insights and connect with the next generation of ethical technologists. For students, it's a chance to do work that matters, right now. Join us as we launch something bigger than a project. This is the start of a movement for ethical innovation, inclusive design, and thoughtful leadership in AI. This is the CISAT Transdisciplinary Ethical AI Hackathon. Let's build something the world can trust.